Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello everyone, in the following question, we have to find the value of I node t and V node into t. In the following question, we have to find the value for I node into t and V node into t. Now we will solve this equation at t is equals to 0. If we'll say at t is equals to 0, note that this is a make before break switch, so the inductor current is not interrupted. So at t is equals to 0, we will say that at t is equals to 0, v naught 0, at t is equals to 0, v naught 0 at 0 can be written as 8 by 2 plus 8 by 2 plus 8 into 30. Value of this can be written as 24. This can be written as 24 for t is equals to greater than 0. We have a we have a source free parallel RLC circuit. We have a source free parallel RLC circuit. We have a parallel source free RLC circuit. So here we will get value of alpha as 1 by 2 R into C. This can be written as 1 by 4. And if we'll write value for omega node, this can be written as 1 by under the root LC. This can be written as 1 into 1 by 4. This can be written as 2. Value of this can be written as 2. Here we will say that since alpha is less than omega node, we will say that since alpha is less than omega node, we have an underdamped response. We have an underdamped response as alpha is less than omega node. We have an underdamped response. So here we will get value of omega d is equals to omega node square minus alpha square. So from this we will get value as 4 minus 1 by 16. Value of this can be written as 1.9843. 1.9843. From here we will get potential at any time t. We will get value of cos A1 cos omega d into t plus A2 sin omega d into t. This can be written as E minus alpha into t. E minus alpha into t. So if we'll get potential at time t is equals to 0, if we'll get potential at time t is equals to 0, we will get this 38 by 2 plus 8. This can be written as 24. This can be written as A1. And if we'll find value of I naught t, this can be written as C dB naught by dt. This is 0 when t is equals to 0. If we'll get value for dB naught by dt, this can be written as minus alpha. This can be written as minus alpha A1 cos omega d into t plus A2 sin omega d into t E minus alpha t plus minus omega d into A1 sin omega d into t plus omega d into A2 cos omega d into t E minus alpha into t. So if we'll solve this at t is equals to 0, if we'll solve this equation at t is equals to 0, we will get value for dB naught 0 by dt as 0 is equals to minus a alpha 1 plus omega d into a2. We will get value. Thus, if we'll find value for a2, this can be written as alpha by omega d into a1, and here we will get value as 1 by 4 into 24 by 1.983. We will solve this, we will get 3.024. Next, if we have to find velocity potential, if we have to find the value of potential at t, we will get the value as 24 cos 1.9843 into t plus 3.024 sin 1.983 into t e minus t by 4 volt. This is potential at T, and if we'll find the value for current, this can be written as C dB by dt. This can be written as 0.25 minus 24. This can be written as 1.9843 into sine 1.9843 into t, plus this can be written as 3.024 1.9843 into cos 1.9843 t, minus further this can be written as 0.25 24 cos 1.9843 into t minus 0.25 3.024 sine 1.9843 t e raised to power t by 4. E raised to power t by 4. If we'll write the value I naught into t, this can be written as minus 12.095 sine 1.9843 into t 43 into t e raised to power minus t by 4 ampere. Okay, thank you.